Three Crowns is here today to install soffits under our eaves. First we had our roof replaced, and now we want to enclose these soffits, cover up all the nails that penetrate the sheathing, and to make it a nice smooth surface and easier to maintain. Fortuitous. I wonder if the noise will bother Lily.
And then we can start running this face. Snap and cut lines. So the soffit material too as well.
You need a chalk line?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. We can chalk a line on that.
4 3/8.
One more.
He's holding up our roof.
Atlas holding the world up.
So this is sort of a recessed area that they can build the structure to hold the new soffit boards. And that way the 2x4s will insert into the siding and not overlap. Did I describe that about right?
I think so.
This is the Hardie board that's going up for the soffits. It's quite heavy, very durable. It comes prime, but it'll need to be painted eventually. Hardie board soffits are already finished above our garage. Looks great.
It's I got like 1.25 right here. I'll go way up if I just put a screw in it.
So now they have a nailing edge here for the Hardie board.
Correct. You want me to take it where you can stable that ladder? Oh. I think it'll be okay. And then bevel it into the siding first, right? Yep. Okay. This has either got to be trimmed or the siding's got to be cut around it.
No, I think we can pry down on that maybe, Mike.
All right, you got a bar or
That's
something?
a bar, yeah. You want the thinner bar?
Yeah, it's a flat bar on my bucket over there.
Hitting and bouncing right there.
Looking good.
Since they don't have an account themselves at Rada, we'll just get it away.
Mike can start moving stuff around the back.
Alright. Is that what you want as it? That's around the floor, that way it'll go up. Screw, you know? Okay. Fill right up.
We could trim the 0 to, no we shouldn't. We ain't trim that.
Right there, huh?
Yeah.
Sitting there clicking it back and forth.
It's a good steel hammer. That one's made in America. Unless it's a specific fish, you know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
Coke.
Here you go, Mike.
looking good.
Stress test.
Yes, sir.
Almost finished at the back side of the house. Man, what a difference that is. Wow. I can't wait till this gets covered up.
I called him on it too. I said, what?
I got this one I got to kill.
Clipping off the nails that are in the way.
Yeah.
Those nails are from the new roof installation.
3/8, yeah. He's cut it at 19 on the other one.
79 to 83. I think you have long screws. What's that? Yeah, you ain't gotta go that. Great.
Well, they got one soffit board installed at this end of the house. You about ready to wrap up for the day?
Good close. I think we're gonna put this last piece up and call it a day. I got it.
You got it? Well, we got 2 wasp nests here to worry about tomorrow. Sorry, bees, but you're gonna have to give up your home. 3 Crowns is about to begin day 2 of installing our new soffit boards.
I got a spare.
Shadow's not sure what's going on. A little gloomy, but no wind. Thank goodness.
5-pound 30-footer.
Just enough clearance with that J-box for the RV.
Yep.
That was airflow. They're pretty good, I think.
Hey, you want this bigger, Jake? I'm just moving her down a bit. Back here first. And it should cover, right? Yeah, so you want it all the way down to this other piece coming around the corner, right? Right. Okay, we'll come down my way a little bit. And 5/16. I'll get 33 1/4. Cool.
Now the corner soffit panel is being inserted, but not an easy task. Not at all.
really?
That would put a 22.5-degree bevel on it. Send my mark on the back there, dude.
This side's kind of ugly. You guys want to flip it around and mark it again because the big chippers on this side.
Oh, okay. It's still in this base. You can just come by a wash or something. It doesn't. She carries an epi pen with her now. How's that look? It's good. Wow, that's more effort. We'll straighten it out.
At least it's pretty on this side.
Or I'll push up with the hammer and try to pull one like up through here like this. Yeah. Okay. Go for it. I'll snip those off with the